Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Crochet Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable crochet tulip hairband step by step. This project is beginner friendly, easy to customize, and perfect for spring outfits. For this project I'm using pink, green, and white yarn and a needle and 3mm hook. Let's start by making a slip knot. Take the end of your yarn and create a small loop. Bring the working yarn behind the loop and pull a strand through the center. Place the loop onto your crochet hook and gently pull the yarn ends to tighten. Make sure the knot is snug, but still able to slide easily on the hook. Now we're ready to create our foundation chain. To make a chain stitch, yarn over by wrapping the yarn around your hook from back to front. Pull that yarn through the loop already on your hook. That creates your first chain stitch. Repeat this process until your chain is long enough to fit around your hairband. Each little V shape you see is one chain stitch. After making the chain, now insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. You'll now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That creates one single crochet stitch. Repeat this across the entire row. Now the few more left, let's complete it. After completing the last stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn and fasten off. After cutting the yarn, your project looks like this. See, this is the base of our hairband. Now weave to make the leaves. Insert the hook in our project and take a green yarn and pull through, and make 3 chains like this. Now skip 2 chains, and make double crochet into the 3rd chain. And then chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. And repeat the process until the last stitch. Now the few more left, let's complete it. Now in the last stitch, make 1 double crochet. And cut the yarn and fasten off. After cutting the yarn, your project looks like this. Now weave to make the tulip flowers. For the flower, insert the hook in the green yarn, and take a pink yarn, and yarn over and pull through. Now make 3 chains. Now make puff stitches in between these 2 double crochet. Make 7 puff stitch, like this I'm showing in the video. And yarn over and pull through all the loops, and chain 2. Now repeat the same process until the last stitch. Now the few more left, let's complete it. Now for the last stitch, make a double crochet and cut the yarn and fasten off. After cutting the yarn, your project looks like this. Now we have to make the side of the headband. Take a white yarn and make slip knot. And then 60 chains. After making the chains, skip 3 chains and make double crochet into the 4th chain. And make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now chain 2, and repeat the same process 3 times. And then slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Make 1 more like this. Now insert the hook and take a white yarn and yarn over and pull through, make a chain 1. Now make 3 single crochet into the green yarn. Now make 5 more single crochet into the pink yarn. Now make 3 single crochet in between these tulip flowers. Now repeat the same process until the last stitch. For the other side corner, repeat the same process. Make 5 single crochet into the pink yarn. And make 3 single crochet into the green yarn. And slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Now your headband looks like this. Now weave to sew the side of the headband. Take the needle and sew the center of the corner like this. I'm showing in the video. Sew the other side also, and your headband looks like this. Cut the extra yarn. And that's the finished Crochet Tulip Hairband. It's cute, beginner-friendly, and perfect for handmade gifts or everyday outfits. See you in the next tutorial.